That is Mark in the car, like a monkey hanging in the car. And here is Mr. Thui driving in Nandi Hills. And the front seater hero is Mr. Michael. And backbencher smarty is Mr. Ligden with a tied hair, with a very good smile in his face. And out here it's Gumin with his long hair and white t-shirt. He is looking so great tonight. He's rocking. And there is Mark again in the very, sharp tone. It's cool, man, it's cool. And out here is Mr. Tashi, viewing everything with his very clear, like eagle's eye. And the DJ, Pranay. Woo! And there is Mr. Mark doing something.
Bangalore. 59 kilometers. Bangalore 59 kilometers. 59? Yeah.